Hey, Mama. Look at her little baby. Can get his little face. There we go. There's lots of bunnies around here today. Hey, Mama. That's your little baby? It's so sweet. Her baby's not scared of me because she's not scared. So she teaches her kids to trust me a little bit. Look how little it is next to her. Look at the little baby. Where you been, Mama? There was 3 other bunnies in the yard earlier. And I thought one was her, but it was not. She came under the fence a little later. And I don't think the baby was out and about. The baby just appeared. So, you can see one in the background. This little fluffy tail. So happy to see Mama and her baby. Little fluffy thing. Oh, so cute. Trying to eat a little carrot. It's doing a good job. Hey, Mama. My darling. You're so pretty, honey. You're so pretty. I think that's a little mouse back there. It's a little babes. Hey, little baby. Hey, cutie. What they doing, Mama? What they doing? Mama's been shedding her winter coat. Look at the babies. Hey, honey. Hey there. It's hard to get a good video. Look at little chops. Hey, Mama. Sorry for the shaky video. It's hard to peek in their little stick pile. You like that carrot, honey? Good yet? Look at the other one back there. There's one right there. That one might be a baby too. It's kind of small. Hey, little babes.